How I do my lip makeup. First, cover up your natural lip line to have a clean base. With pinkish lip tint, color only inner half of both upper and bottom lips. Then use NYX Butter Gloss and color the rest of her lip. Don't forget to fill in that cupid bow. You gotta color a little over the lip line to have a lip filler look low. How to make eyes look bigger naturally in just 2 steps. 1. Contour first. Put contour in this way. Blending with a Q-tip. 2. Brighten the waterline. Mascara.
This is how I make my nose look like a little button. First I powder the sides and the tip. Then I put bronzer on my nose bridge just above and below the powder on the tip of my nose. I put this brown shadow in the same areas as the bronzer. Just a bit more concentrated and less blended out. I still blend it, I just try and keep it looking like a shadow. Brush off the powder. Then I put my freckles on. And I like to place a few extra along where the bronzer was to emphasize it. Then the finishing touch is a white highlight. Ta-da!
Today I'm going to show you how to get this look that works for pretty much everybody. The first color you want to use is a skin tone shade, so use what works best for you. Applying the colors, make sure you're focusing in the front. Then you want to use a light brown, and as I mentioned, you want to make sure you're kind of hitting the side of your bridge. This next shade is going to work like contouring your crease, so go ahead and use a brown. Now the most important part. As you can see here, this is where my eyelid starts. What you want to make your eyelid look bigger is you want to bring it up higher above that line. So cut your crease with concealer or eyeshadow base. Then to open up your eye, apply a bright matte shade all over your lid. Finish off with a wing or eyelid.
I am going to become this girl. I couldn't cover my brows, please don't bully me. Rudolph looking ass. How TF do I do the other eye? Oh, like that lol. Can you tell I don't know what I'm doing cause I can? Greco. I didn't feel like gluing these on, so I literally just balanced them on my eyelashes. Alameo. Raya looks so hot. Seriously, whose man is this? Someone needs to wipe me up, literally. Sorry, Hen, I am stealing this makeup style. You're so hot, dude. Thank you, Hannah.
If you're a beginner and want to know how to get eyeliner like this, keep watching. Run tape along the edge of your eye and drag a line up against it. Then connect the second line halfway into your lash line. Go ahead and fill it in. Then you're gonna go ahead and keep filling that lash line, but you're gonna keep dragging that line out past your inner corner. From there, you're gonna go ahead and connect that point to your lower lash line. Then you're just gonna fill it in. I didn't show this, but go ahead and add liner to your waterline, add lashes, and you're done.
皆さんこんにちは。私の名前は花です。で、今日は日本語だけでのメイク動画をやってみようと思いました。今ハマってる下地がミルクメイクアップのハイドラグリッププライマーです。ちょっとアイブラウジェルで毛を整えてからアイブラウペンシルでちょっと眉毛を描いてきます。で、今日はNARSのブロンザーをアイシャドウの代わりに使います。NARSのブロンザーよりも濃い茶色を選んでアイライナーみたいに使います。それでマスカラ、つけまつげしたらアイメイクが終了です。かわいい。ベースはレアビューティーのファンデーションとコンシーラーを混ぜてこの色になりました。アイシャドウに使った NARS のブロンザーで3を描くようにささっと塗ってきます。それで一緒の色でノーズシャドウも。それでチークとリップで終わりです。
Testing out all the products Madison Beer used in that Vogue video. Because everyone's copying her routine, but I don't think anyone has like really tested out the products. So let's see if she really is onto something. The Glossier Skin Tint, I got the shade G10 and I'm praying it matches. How is the shade so good? I got this online. The Beauty Blender as well, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, this is beautiful. First product, 10 out of 10, love it, recommend, definitely try it. The concealer, I have tested this out before, but nonetheless, we're still gonna give it the old review. Okay, now we blend. Now she hypes up these Charlotte Tilbury ones so much. And you guys know I use them literally every day, especially the blush one. But I've lost my contour one, so I can't test that out right now, but I promise you it's worth it and you guys have to try it out. Just applying it around here. She actually said if she could only use one makeup product for the rest of her life, it would be this, so definitely test it out. She also uses the highlighter version of this one, so I'm just going to apply that at the high points of my cheek. Can we appreciate how flawless my skin is looking right now? Anyway, next product will be the Fenty Beauty Bronzer, just over the temples and on our cheekbones. Really sorry to have to do this, but come back for part 2.
If you're new to makeup or just beginning, this video might be for you. I'm going to be listing affordable products that I'm using and how to apply them. If you're someone with like slightly dark circles, I personally feel the need to heavily conceal. I'm going to start with the Maybelline Master Camo Color Correcting Kit. I kind of use all the shades. I'm going to put that in the areas where I want it to be. I'm going to pat this in. There's already a fairly big difference because I have really bad hyperpigmentation around my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Light Peach. A little goes a long way with this coverage. I'm not going to blend this yet. I'm going to go in with a Glossier lipstick as blush. Any affordable lipstick can work for this. Now I'm going to blend with my Juno sponge. You can find these at Target, they're only $6. When blending, I go in and up instead of dragging the product down. This is what it should look like. Okay, off camera, I set under my eyes with the Coty Airspun powder. Now I'm going to bronze using the e.l.f. contour palette. Now I'm going to go in with this diamond highlighter from Cara Beauty. For mascara, I would use the Neutrogena Chrome one. I don't have it. Milani lip liner. And yeah.